Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY monthly, I still think it looks like a big A, B, and C correction. It definitely did make a nice impulsive move to the downside. It looks like the sort of time frames this move up is a correction to the move down, and I still think there's a very good likelihood that it will end up continuing the downtrend. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. So it's back to the dollar index. So on the dollar index weekly, I still think this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. I still think that this is going to end up being like an ABC correction. Now we definitely had a very soft turn to the upside today. Really, there's no proof that anything is over yet, but if it does end up stretching out and looking something like that, I still think it would be a correction to this move down, and I still think eventually it would end up continuing the downtrend. But there's definitely no proof that it's actually going up and making a bigger wave C like that as of yet. So going down to the daily time frame, definitely got a little bit of like a contracting triangle going on right here. We have an uptrend right here. It looks like an A. I still have this as an A, B, C, and to me it still looks like we have a complete trend right here. I still think that this is like a wave 1, and I still think this is probably going to be a correction to this move down, and I still believe that it will most likely continue the downtrend, probably like a 2 and a wave 3. So this is probably a 1, this is still probably an ABC of 2, and I think we're in a 1, 2 of 3. Now if this does just keep on stretching out and just keep on going up, even going all the way back up to this zone up in here, it's not going to be too big of a deal because I'm going to be looking for longs on shorter time frames now anyways. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement measuring this whole move down right here. We do have a little bit of a three-way pattern up already, so we are at a 50% Fibonacci level. I do expect that this move up probably is going to be a correction to this move down, so if it does make it a big engulfing turn to the downside, I would take that as possibly the end of an ABC correction. But I really want to see a break of structure and some proof that it is going down in a big way before I actually start looking for shorts in a downtrend again. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we definitely got a trend right here, which is either wave A or wave 1. We got a correction, ABC down, either wave B or wave 2. Now it looks like a 1, 2, 3 going up. So most likely, even if this does turn out to be a wave C, it would probably have to make a 3, 4, 5 shape and then an impulsive down, taking out structure. If it does this right here, then that would tell me it's a wave C, and at that point, I would definitely start looking for shorts in a downtrend again. On the other hand, if it makes a pullback but then never breaks structure to the downside and just keeps on trending up, then most likely it's a wave 3, and I'll just continue to look for longs in an uptrend. And since I never got that break of structure to the downside, I'll just continue to look for longs in a way, so definitely no big deal for me. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.